So some of you guys have been requesting a ride along. Here I am. I just accepted a 3-item order at BJ's Wholesale. So here goes nothing. Let's go. Now, every time I start an order, the first thing I do is I like to look over the items so I can plan a path around the store. Before we do that though, this comes up. And all it is, it's a BJ's same day order. What that means, no substitutions. So this one's gonna be pretty easy. All right, I finally found first item. The only thing is gonna be 6 of these cases. And it's gonna take a little bit. So the next item I'm looking for is Coca-Cola. Now, I kind of messed up here and I wasn't really paying attention. Ended up scanning the regular Coca-Cola. It's letting me know that it's this specific Coca-Cola. So I then look for it and again, not the right item. This ain't it. So let me go on to this one here. And I finally found it. All right, so the last thing I need is Tyson chicken. Now, I'm basically just looking for these purple bags of Tyson. It's pretty easy, and I'm done. But wait, where's my car? Wait, I got it. So that order took me like about 3 minutes. All right, I'm just kidding. It took me like 10 minutes or so. This is the stuff right next to me. I don't like to put it in the trunk just because that's my preference. But I'm about to drop this stuff off. Let's go. Coming up to a red light here. This order was really easy. It was only 3 items, so that's a win-win for me and for the customer. They get their stuff quick. I get to do the order pretty quickly. Essentially 6 cases of Polar, a case of Coca-Cola, and then a bag of, I don't remember the exact flavor, but it was chicken. I'll post a picture in a second. But so I just got here to the customer's place. Let's drop this stuff off. Now, as I'm dropping these off, I like to stay organized with this stuff and try to make it so that the customer can actually get to it without being blocked in with whatever product they have. So I'm just putting everything on the left side of the door. That way it'd be easier for them to bring it in. And yeah, I'm just stacking these, trying to be as organized as possible. That way it's easy for them to bring it in. And that is it. Now I'm gonna proceed. How was my experience? It was awesome. That's how much I made in 2 orders, pretty easily. This is how much I made on this order, $27. And look how much work I had to do. Very easy order. For an order that's 3 items and 5.3 miles, this is just too easy. So guys, I just finished the order. It was really easy. I know it says 52 or 53 hours of active time. I'm gonna put it on the screen in just a bit. But yeah, that was pretty easy. Worked up a little sweat there. It was 6 cases. But I mean, the walk was like really short to drop it off. And it was the customer's first time using the app, so they just wanted it on the ledge. And you guys saw the directions. They just wanted it right there. I just dropped it off, knocked on the door, and that was that. That's pretty easy money. So guys, that's how it is. It's really easy. I don't know if I'll get another order as easy as that. I mean, I only plan on, I can't even talk. I only plan on doing like 1 or 2 orders today anyways. I'm very picky when it comes to orders. Orders like that is what I go for. But guys, let me know if you guys get orders like that. Let me know if you guys get orders that are like $30 with like 1 or 2 items. The one I had was 3 items, pretty easy. I just had to get 3 different things. The quantity was a little more, so that's something you have to pay attention to. And also just pay attention to the directions. I know it said meet the customer, but the customer clearly stated, please leave it on the ledge. It's just a couple things you got to look out for, but that was a ride along. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Now stay tuned for other videos like this, and check out the other videos I have on my channel if you guys are looking for tips and tricks and hacks on how to make money on the Instacart platform. Anyways, guys, I'll see you guys on the next one. Stay tuned.